Well, I'm cutting the core out of the cabin here. As you can see, I'm glad I made the decision to cut the whole core out. This wasn't bonded. Some kind of honeycomb core material that they were using. It was all hollow, wasn't filled in with epoxy. Just glued the top down over top of it, I guess. But that's the reason I'd rather cut it out myself and fix it myself, because this is the kind of stuff you run into. You don't know what kind of repairs has been made, and I definitely don't feel good about this repair that was started. They started on it, and it just wasn't quite working out to their perfection, I guess. I don't know, but this is the reason these Tritons are being given away. You know, if you don't mind putting a core, recoring the decks and all, you have a nice little boat, that's for sure. I don't know if people say, you know, is it worth it? I don't know. I would say so, though. Boat's already here, boat's on the trailer. Boat was free. I just bought the trailer and the boat came with it, so I'll know a little more once I start fiberglassing this deck, recoring this top here. But you can tell where it wasn't bonded. So what I'm going to do is plywood it, and then I'm going to use plywood and then bond the plywood to this fiberglass here with epoxy. Give me a good strong bond to the plywood to here, and then I'm going to coat the whole top with fiberglass. I'm going to put a Lumar Ocean 60 sitting right there. Go ahead and replace that hatch. I'm going to go ahead and just totally core it all the way around, the whole thing, and then wish me luck on the repair. Let's see what it turns out like. I don't know. Hopefully it'll go right.